Engoo is a language learning platform that offers private online lessons by connecting you with tutors from all over the world. You can take classes anywhere, anytime, and from any device, such as a computer, smartphone, or tablet. For this project, I focused on the tutor selection process and I identified key issues. Firstly, there are too many tutors for users to choose from. This is a major problem for users as they find the current tutor selection process quite overwhelming. This results in users spending too much time going backwards and forwards going through profiles, which can result in them abandoning the process or choosing a tutor to go with that doesn't necessarily meet their needs. Engoo currently sorts tutors based on their ratings, which also impacts new tutors, meaning they don't get the visibility they need to get a booking. Secondly, users reported that the current filter system isn't user-friendly and the microcopy is confusing, while the tags don't necessarily fit their requirements or what they're looking for. Thirdly, the current tutor cards only show the tutor's name, rating, and where they're from. This isn't enough information for users to quickly make an informed decision on who suits their needs. They would need to click into every profile to find out more information and to watch the tutor's video, and then go back into the tutor selection page. I created a design brief to address these key issues, with the objective to improve the tutor selection process to enhance the overall tutor-student experience. For my design, I updated the filter and sort system to a cleaner interface, with both buttons alongside one another. Based on user testing, this was the preferred option because it was what people were used to. When users click on the sort button, they can choose between three options: recommended, ratings high to low, and ratings low to high. When they click on the filter button, a pop-up box appears on the right-hand side that will take over 3/4 of the screen so that the user will focus on the different types of filter options instead of on the number of tutors available. When they select an option in the filter menu, the results will automatically take effect instead of the user having to confirm their selection before the results show. With every filter input, a new request is sent to the server, retrieving the number of results and then showing that number in the UI. Through this intuitive design, it gives users a very clear sense of how far or how close they are towards their comfortable range and makes the process more efficient. Users can now complete a mini questionnaire when they begin their tutor search. This concept will not only help the user, but will also help tutors because it gives new tutors the opportunity to appear in searches based on their experience and offering, rather than their rating. Users are given 7 simple questions to answer about what language they'd like to learn or practice, what their motivation for signing up is, what their current language proficiency is, what areas they'd like to focus on, their preferred learning style, tutor requirements, and if they're looking for tutors from a specific country. Because I wanted to ensure the process is easy and not overwhelming, I added a button that they can select to see more options, so they're only presented with the most popular options to begin with. I also added a progress bar so users can see how far they are from reaching the end of the questionnaire. This should decrease the likelihood of them abandoning it if they can see how close they are to their goal. Once they complete the questionnaire, they will be given their top 3 tutors based on their responses. If they'd like to explore more tutors without going through all the results, they can re-roll their matches. The algorithm can work through compatibility matching, where it assigns a score based on the user's responses in the questionnaire. It will show users tutors that score highly, and then as they keep re-rolling matches, it will start showing tutors with lower scores. The ones with lower scores will fit some of the criteria of their responses. I've updated the tutor cards to include more information. It will now include their name, tagline, which is 5 to 10 words of their unique selling point, their country of origin, language, specialty, and teaching style. I've also changed the position of the tutor ratings so it's on the top right corner. This makes it less prominent when users are reading through their card in a downwards motion. To address the issue of tutors with no ratings showing up, tutor cards will appear randomly and will have new next to their name instead of 0 ratings. This will guide the user's focus on the tutor's offerings rather than the fact that they have 0 ratings. By making these changes to the user's tutor selection process, Engoo can create a better experience for their users overall, which can lead to a range of benefits, from higher engagement, increased revenue, to improved learning outcomes.